Hi, my name is Richard Lee. This is my SoleStyle final app challenge. So in my solutions, I've got a Canvas app, which houses the front end store, as well as the model driven app, which is where the inventory and stock can be managed. So I'll jump straight to the front end, so the user interface. So here is the customer interface. They can view the product catalogue by filtering on the left by category, as well as searching the item name or product code in the search bar, as well as filter by colour with the drop down list. So all three filters work together to filter the products in the list. The products details can be opened up with this panel on the right. So the catalogue and gallery shrinks to a free column when you click into the product. You can view product details such as product name, description, size, quantity in store, and then the price. To add the product to the cart, we've got a quick add button on the actual gallery itself or within the detailed gallery. So you can only add as many into the basket that's available. So here we've got two in stock. The button automatically disappears once the 2 has been added to the cart. You can remove the item by clicking here, or we can remove the item within the cart itself. So here we have the checkout page. We've got the item in the basket, as well as the total, any discounts applicable, and the total payable. We also have the estimated delivery, which is 5 days plus on the current date. And we can fill out the order information. With some dummy details and submit the order. So that order has now been submitted. We should receive a new order notification in the inbox. There we go. So this would be addressed to the customer with the order summary and order details, and that's triggered by Power Automate. So going back to the customer interface, we've got a chat bot here, which unfortunately doesn't integrate due to environment issues, but if I open it in the demo, so here we have Soulmate, the virtual assistant. We've pre-programmed it to answer some questions that the customers may ask, such as shoe sizes are available. So we currently offer a wide range. We've also got questions such as payment options for orders. Or there's a few interactive topics such as delivery take. Then we can select national, international, and this will give the appropriate response. So that is the virtual bot, virtual assistant. So the staff can log in to an interface here where they can manage current stock available as well as discounts to the products. So if we choose an item that's out of stock here, we can then set it to a new stock level and save this. We'll wait for the email to come in, which will be a notification of a stock change. But again, here we can filter the products by category again. Different drop-down lists. We can sort products from high to low or low to high in terms of the price, as well as searching products by name or code. We should get that notification now. So new stock quantity is 110. So this notification would be sent to the manager or whoever requires to receive this. So this is where you would manage just the basic information of the products. The staff can click this button here, which will take them to the Dataverse model-driven app. This is where they can manage the entire catalogue itself and all the details for the product. So here we've got an A to Z of all the products. It can be filtered by the category, or we've got basic filters such as sorting by stock or sorting by price. You can click into an item here and all the details for the item will be present, as well as view quickly all the rest of the items. We can also delete items here from the catalogue, which will remove it from the inventory list. And this is ultimately where all the items are managed for the store. So for the manager, we've created another interface for them and they log in with their credentials. This will take them to Power BI dashboard, which is just embedded into the Power Apps directly. Very simple dash showing total orders, total quantity sold, total sales value, as well as average transaction value. We can filter the sales data by date. So here we've got the months where we could filter to, or we can filter specifically by category. We've got a few bar graphs and data tables here. So we've got the number of orders for the last X amount of days and the total sales as well. We've got the top 5 selling items listed here, as well as the least selling items, any items that are currently out of stock, as well as any items which are low in stock. And then again, another bar just to show which product categories are performing the best and which coloured products are performing the best. So that is my final app challenge for cohort 9. Thank you very much.